Beautiful new construction home loaded with amenities usually found in much larger homes at a price under $185K. Convenient access to Kilpatrick Turnpike, I-40, and RT-66 gives you quick access to anywhere in OKC. Move-in ready, open floor plan west/4-bed/2-bath/2 gar. Study could be a 4th bedroom or formal dining because it has a closet. The designer kitchen features granite countertops, tile backsplash, large pantry, breakfast bar, and stainless steel appliances with gas range. The master suite includes a bath with walk-in tile and shower, jetted tub, and separate his and her vanities. Energy features include low-E vinyl windows, blown-in blanket insulation with Super Seal technology, radiant barrier decking, and a 95% efficiency/16 SEER HVAC system with programmable thermostats with remote sensors to even out temperature differences in the home. Don't miss out on this beautiful home.